Hi everyone, a really warm welcome back to the channel. One of the things I'm trying to do is bring together a collection of footage of motorway service areas and the parking for caravans and motorhomes, and you'll see back on the channel, and I'll link a playlist at the end. I've got quite a few of these now, mostly from our trips up north, but today's one is Winchester, which is M3 heading south in this particular case. And so let's go on the drive through and you can see what the caravan parking looks like. And don't do what I do and just follow the lorry round, because actually it tricked me at this point, because I saw the lorry parking sign, but because there was no specific arrows, I thought perhaps it was some sort of specialist parking area, and I just followed the lorry round and of course missed the turning for the parking. Anyway, luckily the front part of the service station is laid out as a roundabout, and then you see you can come back round and this time head into the lorry parking. So as you come through here, the caravan spaces are really tight. There's just two of them on the far right, which means probably by the time you've got in, you've looked for a space, you've missed the sign that's down on the ground. Or in my case, because a car drove through there, I thought that was the drive-through. And on this day, there was actually a trailer facing the opposite direction, so that was blocking the signage as well. I ended up going in with the lorries. I don't usually like doing that. Most service stations are smelly. Thankfully, this one was not in the lorry parking area, but lorry drivers have a legal obligation to stop, of course, for safety. So if it is busy, I never stop. I never take up a space that a lorry driver will need. And as you can see, it was a bit confusing for the car, knowing where to go as well. And it's a very simple service station. It seems very easy to get to the main building from the caravan parking. Just really awkward to find those particular two caravan spaces as you come in. You don't notice them because they're behind a hedge with poor signage. Anyway, now you've seen it, hopefully that will make your life easier if you happen to use this service station. So that's it. Really simple service station. Terrible signage, which makes it a bit difficult to navigate if you've not been in here before. So I hope this drive-through was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to do the thumbs up and the subscribe and so on, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now. See ya.